corner. It's Jacob Connor's corner, yeah.
Hey kids, welcome back to Jacob Connor's Corner. So today we went for a walk around the block and we found these cocoons that were hanging off of a tree.
Yeah, this one wasn't, that one wasn't.
Okay, one was on a tree and one fell off. These are empty. There's holes, so whatever was in them is gone.
Yeah.
But we don't know what was in them. So we were going to
Open it.
open them up and
I'll
just
open this one, okay?
see what we can see. Hold on, buddy. No, Reese. We will eat it. All right, so Jacob has one. There's Reese's scooter. It's running away.
into the background.
All right, Jacob. Found at a storage space and had to remove some stuff. So Jacob, tell the kids what just happened.
A spider jumped out of here.
So wait, look at us. So you were holding that, waiting for me to get the camera fixed, and then a little spider jumped out of there. Where did the spider go? In the grass? Was it big or small?
It was big, small.
Big, small. Okay, let's get back down to business. Come on, sit down.
Okay, let's get back. Ah!
It's rolling. It's okay. It's not gonna
I
go far.
got it. You do this one.
Oh, I'm just gonna watch. We're just gonna watch.
Okay, guys.
Let's see what was inside this cocoon.
Can you please help me?
You got it.
I can't open it.
Don't squish it too hard. Can you tear it, maybe?
Okay. Good.
What do you think this is made out of?
Probably something out of a bug or something.
Something out of a balloon?
I need some help. I'll do this one.
How about I get a pair of scissors?
Good idea.
Okay, I'll be right back because we're gonna get a pair of scissors. Hold that. Okay. I found my old trauma shears. We're
Can
gonna
I
try.
use them?
Wait. Cut your hair off. Cut your hair off. Okay. Now with these, you're gonna have to hold them upside down maybe, and put that part into the hole. Will it fit? Nope. Yeah, okay, that'll work.
Chop. And then open it. Let's.
What's in there? Show the kids.
Spider webs.
Spider webs are in there?
Mhm.
All right, stop ripping it for a second. Let me see.
Kids. Spider webs. Where'd the other one go?
Reese has it.
I got it.
Go ahead. Reese grab the other one.
Get back here, baby!
Okay, so yeah, there is some spider webs on there. Let's cut the rest of it all the way down and see what else we can find.
Can you hold this one?
Yeah, I'll hold this one.
This one has a spider in it. Can you please help me? Oh, you hold it.
Well, just don't cut my finger off.
Okay, I'll try to.
Oh, no, cut it that here. I got an idea. You hold this.
Okay, I'll
Look in the camera and make sure you're filming this. Are you filming this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, kids.
You gotta hold it up. Careful, PC.
You see, my mommy did it. And then mostly now it's leaf.
Is that a leaf or is that like part of a bug? I think it's part of a bug shell.
Yeah, that's a part of it.
Oop, I lost it. Ah, hold on, kids. We got it upside down. It looks like this was part of some kind of bug's shell. And whatever it was got left behind. You could be completely wrong, too. We have no idea.
It's leaf, it's leaf.
But the outside looks like it was leaves, and it looks like now it's almost like a piece of cardboard.
Yeah.
Okay, Jacob's gonna open up the other one. I'm sure it's pretty much the same. Here, buddy. Try to put. You hold it up for me. Nope, hold it right here where my scissors are. Right there. Okay.
Don't cut my thing.
I'm not gonna cut your finger. Go all the way down. Okay. Careful when you open it. Let's see. Okay. Let me see it. Looks like the same type of thing.
Oh, bug.
Where?
Wait,
Jacob thinks he saw a bug. I don't like bugs. Okay, let's try to finish cutting it open.
That was a baby. Don't cut me about
I'm not gonna cut you. All right, now pry that open.
Pry it open.
Let's see what's inside. What was it?
A spider.
Another spider?
Yeah.
Where is it?
It got on my leg. My eyes got distracted off.
It was on what?
It jumped on my leg. I was like, ah!
It jumped on your leg. Is it off your leg?
Yeah, I scraped it in the grass.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you 100% positive you got it off?
Yeah. 100% positive. That means it's like, ah! Yeah, that's scared us to noodles.
Yeah, so I really don't want to pick this up again.
Yeah, this scared me all the way to heaven.
All the way to heaven it scared you? So kids, we really don't know what was in here, but we know what was in here now was spiders.
Hey, let's go get some more.
There goes Reese's toy again.
Let's go get some more of it, should we?
Let's see what's in here. Some brown stuff.
That's the bug.
That was part of the bug.
Yeah, it did. Hey, let's go get some more.
So this is pretty much just some brown stuff and then the cocoon. Maybe one of the kids knows what was in it and they can write us and tell us what it was. What do you think?
Yeah.
Okay.
But tell them our number, okay?
Yuck, yuck, Reese. I don't touch it. Don't touch
Tell them our address.
Well, they can just write here from the video and tell us when we post it online. All right?
Okay.
All right. Well, kids, thank you for hanging out with us on this mystery episode of What is Inside. All that really was inside was spiders that we found that moved into the cocoon once whatever was in it came out. But if we find more, maybe we'll do another episode of them, okay?
Oh, I know more cocoons.
You do know where more is, don't you?
Yeah.
Okay. Tell the kids bye. Thank you.
Bye, thank you. We're going to got some more and bring back to you guys.
Tell them like and subscribe.
Bye and subscribe. Bye. I got some more to say.